Welcome to the journey of transforming your financial future. Stay tuned as we explore the secrets to achieving financial freedom through online business models. If you're renting out your time, you're not going to get rich. To gain true financial freedom, you must own part of a business. There's simply no way around it. Becoming a business owner is the fastest and easiest way to take control of your financial destiny and unlock the potential for unlimited income and complete freedom. But sadly, most people never achieve this, not because they don't want to, but because they've been sold a lie. That starting a business is risky, complicated, and dangerous. That's just not true. With the right business model, starting a business can be safe, simple, and wildly profitable. And there has never been a better time in history to get started. Since 2020, demand for online businesses has exploded. Experts are calling it the digital revolution, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. People all over the world are leveraging the internet, technology, and global connectivity to build businesses that offer total financial, time, and location freedom. With AI, no-code tools, and free software, anyone with a laptop and internet connection can build a $10,000 per month business in 2024. That's not hype. There are 14-year-olds making $100,000 per month online. But despite this golden opportunity, 90% of businesses still fail. Why? Not because of lack of effort, tools, or luck, but because they picked the wrong business model. Warren Buffett said it best, "What boat you're in matters more than how hard you row." So, what's the right boat? The best business model for beginners in 2024? Let's break it down using the business model matrix, which evaluates startup capital, how much money you need to get started, profit margin, how much you get to keep, difficulty, how hard it is to launch. Your goal? A business that's low cost to start, high in profit margin, easy to begin. Let's look at some common business models. 1. Dropshipping, low startup cost, $100 to $200, low profit margins, 15 to 20%, easy to start, hard to scale, popular products get saturated quickly, slashing your profits. 2. Amazon FBA, high startup costs, $2,500 to $5,000 or more, similar margins to dropshipping but lower after Amazon's cut. Very competitive and complex. The best sellers are obsessed. They grind hard daily. 3. Software, SaaS. Very high startup costs, developer fees, ongoing updates, high profit margin per customer, extremely difficult for beginners. Unless you already have business experience and capital, it's not ideal to start here. 4. Agencies, best for beginners. Very low startup cost, as little as $0 to $200. High profit margins. Variable difficulty can be made simple. You can start with just a social media account, a payment processor, and a domain name. Agencies are incredibly profitable because you're offering high-value services that cost you little to nothing. Think running ads, SEO, email marketing, lead generation. You're helping other businesses make money, so they're happy to pay top dollar. So, what exactly is an agency? It's a business that connects one party to another by providing a valuable service. A marketing agency connects businesses to potential customers. A matchmaking agency connects people looking for relationships. A travel agency connects travelers to destinations. A recruitment agency connects employers to employees. But marketing agencies stand out. They deliver measurable, trackable, and highly valuable results. More leads, more customers, more sales. That's why they're the perfect agency model to start. Next step, which agency model is right for you? Let's evaluate a few advertising agencies, high value but difficult to fulfill. Branding agencies, high profit but subjective and complex. Creative agencies, high effort, time consuming. Web design agencies, high profit but lots of client revisions. AI and automation agencies, profitable and scalable but evolving fast. Conclusion. The agency model is hands down the best business model for beginners in 2025. Low cost to start. High profit margins. Simple and fast to launch. Scalable with the right systems. This is your opportunity. You don't need experience, you don't need capital, you just need the right model. So, are you ready to stop trading your time for money and start building real freedom?